Good morning. Day 81 of Peter and Doxie going to Queensland from New South Wales. Here in Tin Can Bay. We've had a bit of a wet night. Well, it actually started afternoon yesterday, but it's due to clear up again about midday or late morning today. The last shower was just only a few minutes ago. Sorry, I'm trying not to fall into the sea. Just panning around here, so it's looking a little bit clearer. Yeah, so as the showers approached yesterday, I put the awning back up here, so just to give the cockpit a bit of protection. And yeah, we must have had a bit, because look at the dinghy. There's a swimming pool in there. So that'll be job number one. Bail that lot out.
Okay. The weather's just starting to clear a little bit, so I think I might do a shopping run just briefly now. The tide is almost at its peak, so I've learned now that the shopping place is best accessed depth. So we've got our little friend here to take us for a ride.
So, back in my little spot again to go shopping and bring on the water and throw out the trash. But this time I know about the high and low tide of this beach. So it's still coming in. So I should not come to a boat stranded high and dry. If you're looking along the beach, you can actually see the water moving up. It's coming in that quickly. Anyway, facilities are here. Water, trash, loo if I need it, and just a block away the supermarket. Okay, trash out, water tank's full. I'm going to put them in the aft end of the boat just so the weight's on the wheels when I wheel it back in. Also keep the bow up when I go back. So weight and balance. Well, it's supposed to start getting sunny at some stage soon. I'm actually still getting the odd raindrop coming down, but it's trying. Yeah, we just seem to have this cloud parked over us at the moment. Gotta love your Magpies, eh? This is their place. Everybody's favourite bird, the plover. Yeah, watch those guys in the nesting season. I think they leave magpies for dead. And there's the mate over there. Now, what the hell are you up to? Surely not nesting here. And just a useless piece of information, the streets in Tin Can Bay are all named after fish. Not after people with bad party habits. Okay, we have done the shopping. Walked to about 3 different places to do it, but that's okay. I know where everything is now pretty much. Tide's come in a little bit further. Actually, no, it might actually be just on the way out. Right, hurry up, get the boat back in the water quickly. And just as we start puttering away, the sun comes out. Oh, gorgeous. Look at the white sand, isn't that nice? I was up there where that tower was to get my liquor, and the shop's back that way, so I've had a good walk. And look, excuse the hand. Let's walk to the hand. No. Anyway, it's looking very nice out here now. Sky's clearing, the wind's dropped away. It's beautiful and warm. Anyway, got our spoils. Let's go. Bit of a shorter one today. Yeah, I got back to the boat and put everything away, obviously. And yeah, just potted around, basically, tidying up after yesterday's efforts to try and get the windvane going, which was a bust. I did some looking up online, just investigating things like wind turbines, just trying to get some extra power into the boat. Not that I'm short, but I could have more. Also looking at DC to DC converters. So many things I would love to get my hands on. And funny thing, I was just thinking, I know I've got to go and start loosening the bolts that connect the engine to the gearbox, or the gearbox to the prop shaft, whatever it is. I know which ones they are. And in my head, I thought, yeah, I found one of those sets of Allen keys that I need. I dreamt it. I 100% dreamt it. So I was all ready to go and say, let's grab those Allen keys and see which one fits. There's no such thing. So I've got Allen keys, but they're much smaller. So put it on the shopping list when I go to Gympie or somewhere. Yeah. So, yeah, the mind's a crazy thing, particularly mine, I've found. So that was that. I actually had a little relax in the cockpit after lunch, fell asleep. I had the squabs out and a pillow, and I was lying there reading my book, and next thing I thought, I think I slept. So anyway, that's good. I also went over the side in the dinghy and just started a bit of cleaning on the sides of Doxie. Some of it's a bit grubby from some of the muddy waters I've been in. And there's a bit of slime growing on there, so I just want to scrape that off too. So, yeah, just little jobs that need doing, but can't really be filmed no, without losing the camera over the side, so, or the phone even. Anyway, that's today. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you haven't, this is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.